Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your TikTok videos were deleted and you want to check if they still exist in your data, do this first. Open TikTok and tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account. Select Download your data. Choose the data type related to videos and content. Tap on Request Data and wait for TikTok to prepare your archive. Once the file is ready, open the Download Data section and download it. In some cases, deleted video information or media files may still appear inside the data. TikTok does not restore deleted posts directly inside the app. However, downloaded data is the only official place where removed content details might still exist. This is why checking your data is important before assuming your videos are gone forever. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more TikTok recovery guides.